about data science in sports, the secret behind winning plays. This is presented by Wiz TT. So our learning objectives are to identify how data science is used in sports like basketball, cricket, and football to improve performance, to understand how data is collected and analyzed during games to create actionable insights for players and teams, and to explain the role of data in enhancing decision-making and predicting outcomes in sports. So we've spoken a bit about what data science is, but did you know that data science is used in some of your favorite sports? Data science techniques, like the ones that we've discussed, are used every day to help coaches to make decisions and to help athletes train to be at their best. So let's discuss shot selection and game strategy in basketball. One example of data science in sports is the NBA's use of shot analytics. Cameras track every shot, showing data on shooting percentages from different areas of the court. Coaches use this to design plays, telling players to shoot from spots where they're most accurate. Fun fact, analytics showed that three-pointers are often more valuable than mid-range shots. Teams like the Golden State Warriors used this data to perfect their three-point strategy, leading them to win championships. Now, let's discuss how data science is used in analyzing bowling and batting strategies in cricket. In cricket, a ball tracking technology called Hawkeye is used. Hawkeye tracks the ball's speed, trajectory, and spin, helping bowlers adjust their techniques. Batting data shows where player hits most often, helping teams set better field placements. This data helps players refine their skills and teams prepare smarter strategies. Fun fact, in T20 leagues like the IPL and the CPL, data helps decide which players to pick for different conditions. Next, we'll discuss player selection in cricket. In the CPL and IPL, teams collect data on players' past performances, batting averages, strike rates, and bowling patterns. Analyzing this data helps teams decide batting orders, field placements, and bowling strategies based on their opponent's strengths and weaknesses. IPL teams also use data science to select the best players during player auctions. Let's move on to maximizing player performance in football. In football leagues like the English Premier League, GPS and wearable devices are used. These devices collect data on players' speed, distance covered, heart rate, etc. They also collect data on how far and how fast players run, their passing accuracy, and ball possession. Analyzing this data helps coaches manage player fitness and prevent injuries by knowing when players need to rest. Teams can also use this data to analyze player stamina, improve passing strategies, and decide substitutions. So how do these algorithms work? Algorithms in sports work by analyzing all the data collected, like player movements, shots, or ball spins. The algorithm then looks for patterns in the data. These patterns help teams predict what might happen next in a game and plan strategies. You can think of it like a coach with a superpowered memory that remembers everything and uses it to help players improve. So let's review. In some football leagues, players wear devices that collect data on their movement, speed, etc. This is true. Next, data science cannot be used to improve players' fitness. This is false. Algorithms look for patterns in sport data and use those patterns to make predictions. This is true. So in summary, today we learned data science is used in sports like basketball, cricket, and football. It is used to boost player performance, fitness, and to guide strategies. Algorithms work by collecting data like player movements, shots, or ball spins, looking for patterns in the data and using those patterns to guide decisions. So next time you watch your favorite sport, look out for how teams use data to make amazing plays. Some further resources are shown on the screen. Thank you for looking at this video.